coffee's cold on your side of the bed. Your jacket's gone from the chair. I woke up reaching for your hand, but the morning found you nowhere. Your shadow used to fill this room like sunlight through the door. Now silence sits beside my heart where you stood before. I tried to call your name tonight, but echoes answered me. You left without a sound, like a whisper in the dark. No goodbye, no last words, just a crack inside my heart. I'm standing in the ruins of the love we used to know. You walked away so quietly, and I never saw you go. Echoes answered me. You left without a sound, like a whisper in the dark. No goodbye, no last words, just a crack inside my heart. I'm standing in the ruins of the love we used to know. You walked away so quietly, and I never saw you go.